Hi everyone! It's me, Mommy Steph, also known as the Chinky Mommy. Our mothers play a very special role in our lives, diba? That's why I'm sharing with you a perfect product na pwede nating ipangregalo sa mga mommy. So, this is Elana Glow Gift Set. Yan, ito siya. So, what's inside this Elana Glow Gift Set is, meron siyang Elana Gentle Cleanser. Also, meron ding Gentle Milky Oil na makeup remover din siya. Ayan. Clear Skin with SPF 50. So, ayan. Sunscreen siya so that mapoprotect ang ating face from the heat of the sun. And lastly, ito yung pinaka-special na gusto kong ipangregalo talaga. Is the Elana Glass Skin Glow Serum Illuminizer. Pinaka gusto ko lagi sa mga products of Elana are vegan-free at saka safe. Yes, safe siya sa ating mga nanay na nagbubuntis or lactating. That's why this Christmas season, I plan to give this glow gift set to my mommy, and I plan to surprise her with this Elana Glow Gift Set. And sana matuwa siya dito sa